Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT to help plan for YouTube playlist. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. So now here I'm gonna show you how to effectively ask ChatGPT to help you plan YouTube playlist in some clear steps with detailed explanation and example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Define your playlist purpose. Example prompt: I want a playlist for starting with ambient music to help me concentrate. So let's see the answer. Here you have to clearly explain what your playlist for. This could be for learning, entertainment, relaxation, or a specific niche like fitness or gaming. The clearer the purpose, the better the suggestions. Number 2. Specify the playlist length. Example prompt: I'd like a playlist with 10 videos or about 1 hour of content. Here it is. Here you have to decide how long you want your playlist to be, either in terms of the number of videos or the total duration. Number 3. Identify the target audience. Example prompt: This playlist is for teens who love science experiments. So this is the result. Here you have to mention who the playlist is for, specify their age group, interest, or other demographic to make the playlist more tailored. And the last one, number 4, include any preferred genre or themes. Example prompt: Avoid videos with loud commentary or overly dramatic titles. Here is your answer. If there are a specific type of videos, creators or topics you want to avoid, let ChatGPT know. So by following these points, you are ensured that ChatGPT can give you highly relevant and customized playlist tailored to your needs. So this is how to ask ChatGPT to help plan for YouTube playlist. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.